So this is Shiva, a 20-year-old college student trying of becoming a better English communicator. So today is day 2 of talking in front of camera for 5 minutes, and today is 8 June 2026, and I have decided to talk within this 5 minutes about 4 things. The first one is the knowledge or lesson I have learned from the self-help book. Second one is the general knowledge I acquired from the editorials, and third one is the thing which I learned for the banking exam preparation, and fourth one is what I prepare for my college exam. So daily I will talk about these 4 topics. So today I have learned from the deep work book by Cal Newport that we need a specific place for doing a deep work. For that he proved by taking 2 groups. First group is sent it to the forest, and second group sent it to the city area with high traffic. So the first group which have sent it to the forest have better focus and deep work as compared to the city area group. So by this he proved that we need a silence and noise free area for deep work. And from editorial I have read today that Cockroach Janata Party, the social media political party, have protested in front of Jantar Mantar, which the protest was for removing Dharmendra Pradhan, the education minister, or resignment of that education minister. And for banking preparation, I have studied about 3 cubes and 3 square, 2 cube, and 3 percentage formulas. The 3 percentage formulas are first one is 1 by 40, which is equal to 2.5, and in percentage form it is 2.50%. And second one is 1 by 24, which is 4.16%, and in fractional value that is 4 and 1 by 6. And the third one which I have learned is 1 by 20, which is equal to 5%. And the two cube which I have learned are cube of 30, which is 27,000, and cube of 29, which is 24,389. And the square which I have learned that are square of 50, which is 2,500, and square of 49, which is 2,401, and square of 48, which is 2,304. So that much I have prepared, and also I have prepared 2 tables, 11 and 12, which basically all normal people also know. So I will try to improve this table also. So for my college exam I have prepared the database languages. There are 4 kinds of database languages. The first one is data definition language. Second one is data manipulation language. Third one is data control language. Fourth one is transaction control language. So from data definition language especially work on schema of the table, where we use command like create, alter, drop, truncate, and the DML the data manipulation language is focused on instance of the table. So instance is basically the actual data present in the table. So there we use command like insert, delete, update, this type of command. And in transaction control language we use grant, revoke and rollback. No. In data control language we use the grant and revoke. And in transaction control language we use three commands, which is first one is first one is commit, second is rollback, and third one is save point. So that much I have learned. Thank you, and meet me again